Welcome back, FLR community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always, and a lot of people have actually received their FLR from the recent token distribution event. Now, I'm also actually seeing a number of people who have said that they have not received their FLR. Where the hell is it? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly where it is. The token distribution event was a huge success, distributing FLR to over 200,000 wallets. And if you was expecting to receive FLR, you're likely one of them. And if you're wondering where it is, I'm about to show you. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to this website here. It's called XRP Toolkit. And this is where you can get information about your XRP account. Now, as you can see on the bottom here, we've got the Ledger Nanos, we've got the Decent Wallet, Keystone, and the Zum app. Whichever XRP account or whichever application or device that you used to hold XRP on at the time of the snapshot, that was December in 2020, you can actually use this to log in to the XRP Toolkit. And why do I say this? It's because it's going to enable you to look at your receiving address. So you can just click on Connect Wallet, and after you've done that, you're going to be able to view your account. So this is one of my accounts, and you can see here, if you look to the left, that there is a FLR address. And you can see that my Spark claim for this particular account was 40 FLR. Now, this amount is actually based on the initial distribution, where the ratio was very close to 1-to-1, right? But here's something to note: if the proposal passes, you can forget about your assigned FLR claim. And it does say Spark here, but what they mean is FLR, because it used to be called Spark, but now it's called the FLR token. So something to take note of there. So what you want to do is you want to come up here to the top left and come down over to Properties. The claim process allowed you to input a FLR address, and this FLR address is the same as your Ethereum address. It's the same as your Songbird address too. They're all just one address which matches to different networks, and I've got a whole video talking about this, and I'll link it above for those who want a little bit more information about that. So what you want to do is you want to copy your FLR address. This is where your FLR will be received. And when you linked this account, you said, look, I have access to this wallet. That's why I want you to send the FLR to this address, because I have access to it. And if you don't have access to an account with this particular address, then you don't have access to your FLR. Now we can go to the FLR Explorer, as you can see here, and with that address which we copied, you can simply just paste it in. And there it is, 6 FLR. And you may be wondering, why is it 6? Well, that's because 100% of the FLR has not been distributed. The initial distribution was 15%, so I was expecting to receive 40, and 15% of that is actually 6. So I've received the transaction, and I'm sure many other people have as well. It's likely just some confusion and possibly not accessing the account which actually holds your FLR. So again, if you are in doubt, please head over to the XRP Toolkit, check out your FLR address, because that's where your FLR is waiting for you. A very short and sweet one for today. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.